everyone, and in this video we are going to walk through Chapter 5B exercises 5-10 through 5-12B. On this first exercise, 5-10B, we are going to complete the W-2 for some employees based at Castor Corporation at the end of the year, December 31st, 2015. Now, what I am going to do is that we are going to walk through one employee's W-2, and if you have any questions, please let me know. So the first employee that we're going to do is Paul. As you know, we're going to put in the employee's social security number. We have the employer's identification number. Box number 1, the wages, tips, and other compensation. Please note that, remember, if the employees elect to do 401k or Section 125 cafeteria plan, that is not subject to taxes. They are coming out as pre-tax. So in box number 1, we're going to take the total wages, $47,203.78. We're going to take off what the employee contributed in 401k, which in this case is $28,832.23. We're also going to subtract off the Section 125 contribution of $1,400. So the employee's wages for box 1 would be $42,971.55. On box number 2, the federal income tax withheld is given to us. On box number 3, the amount of wages that is subject to Social Security and Medicare. Now remember, back in Chapter 4, if the employee elects to participate in Section 125 cafeteria plan, they are not subject to Social Security tax. So in this example here, we need to take the $47,203.78, subtract off that Section 125. So the wages that are eligible for Social Security tax and Medicare is the $45,803.78, and that would go in box 3 and box 5. Social Security tax withheld and Medicare tax withheld is given to us. And then if you go down to box 12A, in box 12A, we need to complete the 401k contribution. That is also given to us of $2,832.23. They do participate in a retirement plan, so you would X the box in box number 13. Going down to box number 15, the employee's state, the employer's state identification number. Box 16 is going to be the same as box 1, which is the $42,971.55. And then the state income tax withheld is given to us for $1,443.84. Now, I'm not going to walk through each employee, but what I did go through and highlight the employees that participate in the 401k and the Section 125 contribution. So when you're working through the exercise on the homework, please keep in mind, as I stated before, those amounts must be taken off the total wages in order to figure out how much is their taxable wages. On exercise, this is all the W-2s for the employees from exercise 5-10A. On exercise 5-11B, we need to use the information from the exercise above, and we are going to complete form W-3. All right, because Castor Corporation is a 9411-SS payer and is private for-profit company. For boxes 1 through 6, what we need to do is that you need to go through and add up all the boxes for each category from each employee. So as an example, if you go through and we added up all the Medicare amounts in box number 6 on the W-2s for all employees, the totals will be $2,468.71. You will do this for box 1, box 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, along with box 12. So you just have to go through and add up those totals. On the last exercise, 5-12B, in this exercise, we have to complete a benefit analysis report for an employee, okay, to show benefits that Ben obtains through the company. So this is what we are going to do. some of the information is given to us. So the company's cost information is given to us. The medical insurance, so we got the company cost of $9,600. In order to figure out Ben's cost for the medical insurance, that is going to be $1,680 because it's $140 per month times it by 12 months. His cost is $1,680. For dental insurance, it's $36 a month times it by 12 months. His dental insurance is $432. Life insurance, A&D, short-term disability, and long-term disability is given to us in the problem. 401k, the employee side we'll start with first. Ben contributes 5% of his annual wage. His annual salary is $38,950. Multiply that by 5%. His 401k, that is his cost, is $1,947.50. The employer's side of the 401k, they contribute half of 1% up to 6%. So since Ben contributes $1,947.50, we're going to divide that by 2. The employer contributes $973.75. Social Security. Now, Social Security, we have to take into consideration that Ben does participate in the medical insurance. So we're going to take his wage, $38,950, minus the medical insurance of $1,680. So his taxable wages for Social Security is $37,270. Multiply that by 6.2% to get a total of $2,310.74. That's the employer side, and along with the employee side for Social Security. Medicare, you're going to use the same amount that you use for Social Security as a taxable wage, $37,270. Multiply that by 1.45%, $540.42 the employee and the employer would pay in Medicare. The other thing that they give us is that the employer pays for tuition reimbursement. So the total yearly benefit cost for the company is $21,299.91 for Ben. Ben's annual salary is $38,950. So Ben's total value in the company's compensation is $60,249.91. If you do have any questions in regards to these Chapter 5 exercises, please give me a call or send me an email. Thank you.